We made it to friggin' Algarve. And this is our room. We splurged. We stayed in hostels the whole time, and for our last day, or last couple days, we decided to splurge a little bit. We got a fucking jacuzzi out here. Look how beautiful. There's a beach down there somewhere. Find it. There's our little coffee station. Our bed
That we're sharing again, like lesbians.
I wonder if they think we're lesbians.
Maybe. That's alright.
And then our sweet ass bathroom. I was scared for a minute that it was all see-through, and I was like, man, I don't want to take a shit, and then Tara still sees me, but like, what the fuck, we can shower
I
together.
told you. It's a double shower. It's like a walk-in. There's two of us in here right now.
So when we first got in, like, the manager, like, came and showed us around the property, but I couldn't find my camera, so I couldn't record it, but it was really cool. They, like, think we're some rich bitches or something that are...
Well, they said we looked really rough, so they weren't sure.
Oh yeah, and they gave us this. We have a bottle of wine waiting for us, and some little snackies, and a card. What the fuck? So, we went out and partied last night. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses, because I look like fucking shit. Threw up in the bar. We, for some reason, thought we were gonna make a 6:45 train after a night of drinking, because we're like, oh, we won't go hard. And then we went hard. So, threw up. Woke up still drunk, so we definitely missed our first train, and then so we're like, we'll get the next one, and then we missed our second train, and then we made the third one, and I threw up 1, 2, 3, 4 times on the train before finally being able to like pass out for an hour.
My parents are gonna flip.
And now we're here, and so I'm probably gonna take, I don't want to take a nap though, but I'm not feeling great. But it's so beautiful. But I want to throw up. But it's so pretty. I want food.
Okay.
I vote we eat at that bistro that's down there. Tara brought.
Oh.
Oof. We're gonna be doing a boat tour. I think it goes into these caves over here that you can't really see. I'll show you in a bit, and I might see if I can get a massage this morning because I actually like can't walk. My calves hurt so much from Porto and Lisbon because it's all hills and stairs, and I am a gamer that sits at my desk all day, so my feet are fucking killing me, or my legs are killing me. We are going to the ocean today. We're just spending, you know, breakfast here, and then we're gonna be out and about all day. We're going to the beach. Right now we are downtown. In Caballero.
The main village center of Caballero.
Caballero. It's very cute and little. A little baby beach. Apparently we're super far from like the main beaches.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be.
Where are we?
Benajou.
Yes.
Benajou. There's our room.
How's those stairs going, Amanda?
Great, great. I'm not tired at all. I am a gamer that sits at my desk all day. Oh my god. Hey, it put us out right in front of it.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh wow.
Can we just stay like another week?
I told you I wanted to stay longer. She was worried about you guys though.
Look, they brought us a little orange juice and a cheese platter. So cute. I love this hotel. Oh, hey. I got this outfit. It's really not sexy or anything, but it's very comfy and I love it. I'm going to try and bring my drone out there for the first time and fly it. So we're gonna see how that goes because I've never flown a drone before. I've never looked more attractive.
You did when you got off the airport and you had slept inside of it for 30 hours.
Yoink.
Cheers, son.
Last day here. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning right now. I flew my drone for the first time around here and the seagulls are very mad. They keep flying past it, so I haven't gone very high or very far or anything. But when I landed, they keep like flying over it like they want to attack it or something, but they mostly kind of stay away from it, but they're kind of being dicks right now. He's definitely gonna poop on me. Please don't poop on me. What do you want to do?
Belly flop on the sand.
Yeah, I totally think you'll make that. I think she'll be fine. Does it feel good? About to jump off this big old rock into the water. Right there. Tara just did it. She's looking great. Kind of sketchy. I'm afraid I can't jump very far, but I'm sure I'll make it. Right? This is scary.
Come on, Amanda. Woo! She did it!
This kind of feels bad. This kind of feels bad.